I'm glad everybody missed the nasty conversation that was just going on before I click this. Jimmy looks like he's gonna.
Hi, Danny. Morning.
So, Burnsy's got this side handled too. Got the line swapped out. Make sure that's tight. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Nah, I want to leak so I can sit here and have Jimmy fucking use his left leg. Pump away.
That's the spirit. So new wheel cylinders in. You just gotta put your little.
Don't touch anything.
Touch. All right, so that's gonna be ready. These boys, they're gonna put Jimmy in the car, being leg day master today.
Yep.
Mr. Burns is gonna start bleeding this. Get everything back together. Start bleeding everything. Then the shoes will come tomorrow. We'll swap those out. Go for a little test drive.
Oh yeah.
And then Danny can take his baby home. Scotty, what you look like you have something.
No, I'm
say.
tired. I did not sleep last night.
Neither did I.
And I have to stay as focused and...
Yep. Well, we're gonna go do a country squire right now.
Are you going square dancing?
Swing your partner, do-si-do. Da 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 da. Burnsy's a hoe. Da 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 da.
Okay, we're ready.
I was like, wait a second.
Oh my.
Right? I was like, what are you holding my hand for?
What is this?
Now let's best say some pickle overhaul.
And with that,
I'm going back to work.